The planet Neptune is the fourth largest planet in the solar system. It is the eighth and most distant planet from the Sun. It is 4.3 billion kilometers away from Earth. Neptune is an ice giant. Temperatures on Neptune reach -218 degrees Celsius, making it one of the coldest planets in the solar system. Neptune is so distant that it takes the light from the Sun 4 hours to reach the planet. Neptune gets its deep blue color from a gas called methane in its atmosphere. It has no solid surface and instead is made of a thick soup of liquids and gases. Neptune is the only planet in the solar system that can't be seen in the night sky without a telescope. Because of its deep blue color, Neptune is named after the Roman god of the sea. The first suggested name for the planet was Oceanus. However, Neptune was chosen as all other planets except Earth were named after Roman or Greek gods and goddesses. One day on Neptune is about 16 hours long. Neptune takes an extremely long time to orbit the Sun. 1 year on Neptune is the same as 165 years on Earth. Since the planet was discovered in 1846, Neptune has only completed one orbit, in 2011. Like the Earth, Neptune also has 4 seasons. However, each season is about 40 years long. Neptune has 14 moons. Only one spacecraft has visited Neptune. NASA's Voyager 2 probe reached the planet in 1989 after a 12-year journey and gathered information about the planet and its largest moon, Triton. Only one spacecraft has visited Uranus. NASA's Voyager 2 probe reached the planet after a 9-year journey and gathered lots of information about the planet, its rings and moons in 6 hours. In 2011, NASA's New Horizons probe passed the orbit of Uranus on the way to Pluto. Unfortunately, Uranus wasn't nearby at the time. During its mission, Voyager 2 discovered 6 small new moons orbiting Neptune: Naiad, Thalassa, Espina, Galatea, Larissa and Proteus. The rest of the information we have about Neptune comes from the Hubble Space Telescope and other powerful telescopes on Earth. Very little is known about most of Neptune's moons. Each moon is named after sea gods from different mythologies. Triton is Neptune's largest moon. It is the only moon in the solar system that orbits in a different direction to its planet. The surface of Triton is extremely cold, about -235 degrees Celsius. However, it has active geysers on its surface which shoot gas into the atmosphere. Taken by Voyager 2 in 1989, this photograph shows Neptune and its largest moon, Triton. A close-up photograph by Voyager 2 of the Great Dark Spot, a huge storm that raged on Neptune. The storm kept changing size and shape until disappearing in 1994. There are many other storm spots on Neptune's surface that appear and disappear. A close-up photograph by Voyager 2 of the surface of Neptune's largest moon, Triton. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.